Hello and welcome of you once again to English Proficiency. This is Mohammed. I hope everyone is doing well. And what about your English? Is it a bit improving? I'd love to hear from you all in the comments. In today's video, we are going to see and learn how to make sentences in English using verb to be. Please watch till the end. In this video, I'm going to show you perfect tips and tricks how to make well understood sentences. Let's start with the first rule. Subject plus verb plus a complement. A complement can be a noun, an adjective, or an adjective plus a noun. A subject can be a subject noun or a subject pronoun. Subject pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they. Subject nouns can be any real thing or a person. Example, Anna, Yasin, my parents, New York. English. Now let's make a sentence. The subject is the first thing we need to make a sentence. Let's say Catherine or New York. For compliments, let's say an actress or a city. Now, let's start with the first rule, the rule A. Subject plus verb plus a noun. Catherine is an actress. So, Catherine is subject. Is verb to be. An actress is a complement. A complement noun. Please remember to use a and an with singular nouns. If you are not sure, you can see the lesson. You will find the link below. Okay, I repeat. Catherine is the subject. After subject comes verb to be. After verb to be comes the complement. In this case, we have a noun as a complement. Actress is a singular noun that starts with a vowel. Actress. A is a vowel. Therefore, we use an actress. Catherine is an actress. New York is a city. English is a language. Okay, now we move to the next one. Now we see the rule B. Subject plus verb to be plus adjective. Catherine is brilliant. Catherine is the subject. Is verb to be. Brilliant is adjective. Brilliance means intelligent, means clever, smart. New York is famous. Famous means popular or well-known. That's what famous means. Well, so New York is subject. Is again is verb to be. Famous is adjective. So to make such a sentence, we have subject plus verb to be plus adjective. Adjective here is the complement. Let's have more examples. This movie is ridiculous. Ridiculous means bad, boring. English is easy. Today is hot. Well, this is an excellent rule. Subject plus verb to be plus adjective plus noun. Catherine is a brilliant actress. If you notice, we use the adjective before the noun. So we don't say New York is a city big. No, we say New York is a big city. Adjective before the noun. So the noun plus adjective. New York is a fantastic city. New York is a brilliant city. New York is a famous city. So adjective plus noun. Well, do you understand? I hope so, huh? But I give you more examples. This is a delicious meal. Alex is a good friend. You are excellent students. Please, before I say goodbye, let's have this exercise together just to make sure that you understand the lesson. Please be well and do good, and gonna see you next week. Please take good care of yourselves, be happy, and do not give up. You are going to speak good English.
Exercise number 1. Correct the mistakes in 1 to 5. Number 1. She's a girl cool. Number 2. Their actors terrible. Number 3. New York is a city excellent. Number 4. You're a player fantastic. Number 5. It's a phone Chinese. Now let's correct. Number 1. She's a cool girl. Number 2. They're terrible actors. Number 3. New York is an excellent city. Number 4. You are a fantastic player. Number 5. It's a Chinese phone. Exercise number 2. Order 1 to 5 to make sentences. 1. Interesting. Is New York an city? Number 2. Actor fantastic. Antonio Banderas is. Number 3. Players are they great? Number 4. Is a ridiculous it movie? Number 5. Excellent I student and am. Now let's correct. Number 1. New York is an interesting city. Number 2. Antonio Banderas is a fantastic actor. Number 3. They are great players. Number 4. It is a ridiculous movie. Number 5. I am an excellent student.